Hey friends, if you wish to monitor GPU usage using Task Manager in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab on the list on the left hand side. Now we have two GPUs here. One is the AMD Radeon one and one is the NVIDIA RTX one. Now this basically the first two dedicated the internal graphics card is not counted into this. It may have a different system. So if you wish to check the details about it, I mean obviously you can check the monitor usage here at the top. Okay, but if you wish to check all details about it, they are all available here, about the memory utilization, the version, the what do we say, temperature, everything. And the same for the other dedicated GPU. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.